Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the data handling. So, data handling is a common part of a class 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we can read this data handling of the class 3, class 4, class 5 and class 6 because that is a basic part of the data handling. So, when we heard this word data handling, always our mind say we handle the data very easily or very carefully. That means when we need the data, we can find easily. So that's why the so definition of data handling: a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. That means we have many more numbers in our hand. Now that number we can arrange as like one way. That's way we can find that number or that information in very easy way. So that's why we have four types of data handling. Data handling has four types. Made some of types like telemarks, pictograph, bar graph, pie chart. Some data we can handle with telemarks, some data we can handle with pictograph, some data we handle with bar graph and pie chart. So now telemarks. What is telemarks? We discuss about telemarks, then pictograph, then bar graph, then pie chart. First we know about this chart. So we are discussing first the telemarks. So first is telemarks. Telemarks, small marks which is represent the data. Small marks, that means we know about the Roman number. So 1, 2, 3 like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So small marks which represents the data. Small marks, that means like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way. In the telemarks we use up to 4 and 5 like this. And when we write the 6, we can go to the next set like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comma and next set like this one. If 6, so 5, 6. If 7, then it is 7 like this way. So that is a small mark. So that's why we use the small marks as in a telemark. Small marks which represents the data. Like this way we represent in a telemarks. Next is pictograph. Picture which represent the data. That means some pictures we can draw for this example. So here is square, here is one basket, here is one smiley. So that type of pictures, it's be a doll, it's be a ball. Like this way we can represent the data with the pictures, that called a pictograph. Next, a bar graph. Bar graph is line or bar which is represent the data. Line means like here the example I already written here. That means if it is one axis and we represent the data like bar, it is one bar, it is one bar like this way, and that is a line. So we represent the data in a line. In a TV, when the cricket match is going on, sometime we have seen these things in a cricket match. That is, the India run this much and where the fall of wicket, and any other team run this much and where in which over we the fall the wicket is done. So like this way that type of line represent the graph. So line or bar which represents the data, that's called a bar graph. Next is pie chart. Pie chart, that is circle. That circle which is represent the data. That means you have some money, you have 100 rupees. I gave you 100 rupees. Now for this pie chart, how can we spend the money? So we represent. So here that 50 rupees we buy the chocolate. That 50 rupees you buy or you bought the chocolates, and 40 rupees you can eat something. You can eat samosa, you can eat anything, and that 10 rupees you save it. So like this way we can understand that where and how much rupees you can spend or you spend it. One for Cadbury 50 rupees, for samosa 40 rupees, and that 10 rupees you saved it. Like this way we can arrange the data in a circle. That's why it's called a pie chart. So I think that all definition is very clear to you. Now you can read it and you can learn it, and I will discuss in next class how to solve the problem with a tally marks, pictograph, bar graph and pie chart with class wise. Thank you.